Hi, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to review the Ultimate Guide to Middle East Capital, and it is a guide that I created that includes 140 key venture capital, private equity and investment companies throughout the Middle East, and it includes their company profiles, sector preferences and their website contacts. This video highlights the guide to raising capital in the Middle East, and it is now available on www.dubaiinvestorslist.com. And I'm going to run through just a few of the quick Q&As in regard to the guide. Firstly, what information is included in the guide? Answer is the directory contains the names, locations, investment approaches, company descriptions, summaries, key sectors, and website details of 140 key firms that provide capital to startups and invest in businesses throughout the Middle East. So this is mainly venture capital, private equity, some family office, and investment companies. How can I use the directory to raise capital for my startup? To use the directory to raise capital, start by identifying potential investors that align with your business goals and objectives based on their investment approach, key sectors, and location. And once you have identified potential investors, research their websites and review their investment criteria to ensure that your startup is a good fit. And all that information is in the guide. Is the directory up to date? Yes, the directory is the most comprehensive and up-to-date guide available on venture capital, private equity, and funding in the Middle East. In fact, this database was recently updated in March of 2023. How can I get in touch with the firms listed in the directory? The directory includes website details to each firm which can be used to contact them directly. You can also use the company's descriptions and summaries to identify the best point of contact within each firm. Can the directory help me find investors for an established business? This directory includes a wide range of firms that provide capital to both startups and established businesses, but the main focus will be startups, I will tell you that. You can use the directory's investment approach and key sector categories to identify potential investors that are a good fit for your established business. Why are there no emails in this directory? The reason why there are no emails in this directory is because contact information can change frequently, and we want to ensure that the information we provide is as inaccurate as possible. So instead, I provide website details for each firm which can help you identify the best point of contact for your business. This approach ensures that you have the most up-to-date information on each firm and can connect with them directly through their website. Now, I also have a spreadsheet that can be attached to this document, and it does have a lot of emails, but these are going to be like info at, so you're not going to get personal details on it, but it will give you a first point of contact. So let's take a look at the Ultimate Guide to Middle East Capital. This is the Ultimate Guide to Middle East Capital. So I'm going to run through just a bit of the pages that comprise the document so you get a bit of an idea how it's formatted. So again, this is to raise startup capital from the Middle East, and it includes 140 key venture capital, private equity, investment company profiles with sector preferences and website contacts. So at first we're going to have a directory, so it's going to have the page number, the venture capital firm, what country they're from. It will also have the website links. This gets delivered as a PDF, so all the website links will be live. And in the beginning, there is a little bit of information about the directory. I also have the key FAQs and related to the directory, what it includes, and tips to help you navigate through the process. And also an article here on how to use the directory to raise capital, so there's some good tips. And then the format of the directory is, and we'll see here, just go through, for example, it will have the company name, what their country they're from. It will have a bit of a outline of the firm. It will include their business sectors, so it gives you a bit of an idea of what sectors they prefer. It'll also have a short summary, and then again key sectors towards the bottom, and you're going to have a link to the website, and again that will all be live. You'll also get this all on a spreadsheet as well. The spreadsheet will include the email addresses. But this just acts as a guide, mainly for research purposes, to help you, your company, or your firm if you're looking to source capital from the Middle East. And again, you can see here it has over 140 contacts that you can reach. Again, that's the ultimate guide to Middle East capital. For more information on this guide, contact www.dubaiinvestorslist.com.